Many learners confuse bukser and jeans. Let's fix that today. Today you will learn lower body clothing in Danish. Simple, clear and useful. Let's begin. Bukser. Bukser. Trousers. Jeans. 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 Shorts. 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 Joggingbukser. Joggingbukser. Sweatpants. Cargo bukser. Cargo bukser. Cargo pants. Habit bukser. Habit bukser. Suit trousers. Arbejdsbukser. Arbejdsbukser. Work trousers. Leggings. 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 Cowboybukser. Cowboybukser. Denim pants. Nederdel. Nederdel. Skirt. Now repeat after me. Bukser. Jeans. Shorts. Joggingbukser. Cargo bukser. Habit bukser. Arbejdsbukser. Leggings. Cowboybukser. Nederdel. Let's test you. Trousers. Bukser. Shorts. Shorts. Skirt. Nederdel. Now think, what do you wear today? Say it in Danish. If you want real progress, repeat this lesson not once but 3 times. Write one full sentence in the comments. Next video, dresses and full outfits. Keep going.